Right, we're in Winchcombe in the Cotswolds. What do we have here? We have a Healy Sprite. Nice, really nice nick. Nice interior. Oh well. Nice, interesting. What else do we have here? Anything interesting? Oh no, I see a smart car there. A rare one. It's a Smart Sport, I believe. Let's have a look. Oh, what's that? Is that a Mark 1 Land Rover? Eclectic selection of cars in this place. Yeah, it's a Brabus Smart Sport. Very nice. And this looks like a Mark 1 Land Rover. Okay. And I think that's about it. They're all the interesting cars. It's actually Ying Long. I can't even pronounce this one. Unpronounceable name.